Giving thanks and praise to the divine mother of the universe, of heaven and earth. Giving thanks and praise to the divine mother of the universe, of earth and heaven. The universe within. To the ancient goddesses known and unknown. To the ancient gods known and unknown. To the ancient ancestors known and unknown. And to you that are here in the flesh, which are the return of the ancient ones, I greet you in the most ancient words of peace. Chaos.
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 For those that may not understand what we're saying on DVD, chaos is the supreme order of things. It's what brings order into life, because chaos has to destroy things in order to rebuild things. And this evening we're going to destroy the misunderstandings. We're going to destroy all of the talk that's been going on for a very long time. We are going to destroy and bring order back to the universe by reteaching and re-educating the black woman, the mother of civilization, the mother of God. And I greet you all again in this great evening. Title of the class tonight is called Woman, Savior of the World. And before I get started, I'd like to share a few things, get us opened up here. In Gerald Massey's book, Gerald Massey's Lectures, on page 264. On page 264. He says here, people now demand the verification of all that is taught as truth. They must see for themselves that which is set forth as the truth. Now, people now are demanding now the verification of all, not some things, but all that is taught as truth. People are demanding it. People should demand it. No one should accept nothing no one says without them bagging it up with some information. What we priests here call scholarship. They must see it for themselves, that which is set forth as the truth. They must touch it and test it to learn whether it has the ring of reality. The demand of the present is that that which is asserted by the teacher shall be verifiable by the learner. That means anytime anyone says something, you should go back and research it for yourself to find out the truth. Okay? All right?
All right.
All right. We don't just accept what someone says. Make them prove. Make them show documentation. Make them demonstrate. Beliefs don't have to be proven. Beliefs have to be accepted. But when you know, you must prove what you know. Demonstrate what you know. As the ancients used to say and still say today, you can believe what you want, but you must be what you know. It says again, the demand of the present is that that which is asserted by the teacher shall be verifiable by the learner in every domain of thought. All that exists being ready to supply the means of practical experiment for attaining the sure foothold of a scientific basis. That was again from Gerald Massey Lectures, page 264. We are an ancient order. We're not an organization. We're not a club. We are an ancient order from our ancestors. We are an ancient mystery system that's reteaching our people the ancient knowledge of themselves. Our verses left on the pyramid walls for us to find, man, know thyself, and you will know the universe and God. Without the knowledge of oneself, there could be no knowledge of God. These two are one and the same. So this evening we're not giving opinions. We're not giving you our opinions. We are giving you absolute facts that can be researched. As a matter of fact, I looked in the dictionary and I want to explain what an opinion is and what a fact is. In the Webster's Dictionary, opinion is a belief of judgment that is held firmly, but without actual proof of its truth. I'm going to read that again, what an opinion is, because everybody got so many opinions. Opinion is a belief of a judgment that is held firmly, but without actual proof of its truth. They always said people have opinions like assholes. Everyone has one. But in a book that I want to bring this evening, I forgot to bring it, called Rare Truths, there's a baby that's born without an asshole. Moral of the story is, what? If they said opinions is like assholes, everyone has one, then if this baby doesn't have an asshole, then I don't have any opinions tonight. What does the prophet say about opinions? Since we're speaking on opinions right quick, let me go here to the circle 7. Prophet Noble Drew Ali, whom I will be giving shouts out to tonight, in his book, The Holy Quran of the Moorish Science Temple of America, circle 7, let's see what he said about opinions. He says, we are not to have opinions. We know. And we can prove what we know. We can prove what we know without a shadow of a doubt. Now, those that have opinions, you can keep them. You can hold on to them. But don't bring your opinions to a man or a woman that has the knowledge of themselves. In chapter 38, verse 27 of the circle 7, the prophet says, general opinion is no proof of truth, for the generality of men are ignorant. We don't have opinions. Also in the dictionary, we look up the word fact or facts in the Webster's Dictionary. And a fact is something known to have happened, or to be true, or to exist. And everything that we will say tonight, I say we because it's not just me, everything that we will say tonight is something known to have happened. It is something that is true, and it does exist. We're going to get started. Title of the class again is Woman Savior of the World. And I have a few statements I'd like to make before we get started. It says here, a new order in a new age. We are coming into the new age. The new age that's coming into existence is called the Aquarian Age. Now, a lot of scholars, their information that they put out, have said that the new age, or the Aquarian Age, is the age of the mind. Others say it's the age of enlightenment. But in truth, what they don't tell you, that this age that's coming into existence is the age of woman. It is the age of the return of the divine mother